Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download attachments from multiple emails in Outlook. The first thing I want you to do is just come here at the top, okay, and hit search. And I want you to type in has attachment colon yes, okay? And you'll get here, this is search feature where you get everything with attachments, all the emails that have attachments. And you can go ahead and hold control, okay, on your keyboard and select multiple emails. And you can go ahead and save them with the attachments. So I have these selected. Then you can come here, click on any attachment right here, click on save all attachments. And that way you're basically downloading all the attachments and a download box will appear listing all the attachments from the selected emails. This case, let's do this one, right? Click save all attachments. And then you just click OK and then you save it. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.